Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up voicemail on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. If you're new to iPhone or just got one, you'll need to set up voicemail. First, open the phone app. It's the green phone icon on your home screen. Once inside, tap the voicemail tab at the bottom right. If this is your first time using voicemail, you'll see a Setup Now option in the center of the screen. But in my case, I have already enabled it, so I will tap on the greetings icon at top right corner. Next, you'll reach the greeting page. Here, you have two options, default and custom. The default greeting is a standard message from Apple. If you want to record your own, select custom, then tap record and speak your message. Press stop when done, then play to review it. If you're happy with the result, tap save at the top right. Now, when someone calls and you don't answer, they'll hear your custom greeting and can leave a message. Voicemails will appear on this same page for you to tap and listen to anytime. If you don't see the setup or greeting options, it may be because your plan doesn't include voicemail. Some carriers offer voicemail as an add-on. Call your provider or visit their website to enable it. So that's basically how you can set up voicemail on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.